Market, we are seeing some selling on the US dollar. However, I think the selling could be done soon. Let me explain to you why. So this is a dollar index chart. It's very important that you need to understand the behavior of the king of Forex. If you don't understand what the dollar is moving, I think you have a little chance of succeeding on Forex trading. I have been fairly quiet on Forex because I just don't like the price action. Now, okay, interestingly, price may draw to the 104 area, which is great. Daily, yes, we do have a change of trend, but sometimes a change of trend on the daily means probably just a phase 2 on a weekly. So weekly is still very strong. You see the bullish momentum on a weekly chart was just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks of buying, something like that. So a bit of profit taken is quite normal anyway. Therefore, I remain bullish. Price stay above 104. I want to buy at least to this area first, maybe to touch to 110, which we shall see about that. Two of the mainly on my list is the Euro 4-hour chart first. We're testing the top channel, but I think this may break. This area may break, and then may draw to the price may draw to the 108, which is a monthly R2 area. I might set a limit order if I see price action here 4 hours, suddenly a big buying and drop off. I might just sell at this area. Daily ATR around this area as my stop loss and let it run, because it's just, when price starting to roll over, I could put my stop loss quicker for my entry. So that's how I trade. If you don't understand what I'm doing, please don't just copy. You really need to have a plan and your own trading system. If you want to learn more, you can go to my channel. I did post so many of my trading system on there as well. Pound is another one that I potentially want to buy. We see a big buying on Friday. I like to see a rejection around this R2 area, 1.24 area. Then I will look to be a seller. Would I set a limit order? Let's see. If same thing again. If I prefer, yeah, it's okay. I would do that, but I probably will use a 15 minutes reversal pattern around this area to sell. So this. Double top breakout to sell. So that's the plan on pound. These two are top of my list. Remaining one, Aussie could be, but might be a bit early. We are reaching back to the resistance area on 0.65, but we may pop a little bit higher. So I could be trading something like drop down to an hourly. So let me just get the mouse. If I see, well, look at the monthly as well. Yeah, monthly R2 as well. So if I see like a rejection pattern here build and then correlate with other dollar pair, I could sell it and look for weakness on the stock indices as well. So Aussie is on the list. The rest of them I don't like. I don't want to talk about it. It's wasting time anyway. Don't really like what gold is doing. I mean, yes, we have been seeing some bullish momentum, but if you look at that, the last 2 weeks we have been sideways trading. Silver as well, sideways trading, don't like that. I did try to sell copper, but copper didn't break the 4-hour trend, so fine, it's okay. Oil is an interesting one because we are trying to break this major support level. Let me just clean up the pivot level so you can see a bit clearer. We're trying to break this support around the $80 area multiple times. So, I think it's like a defense area, right? So buyer try to step in, but this is getting weaker. Buyers getting squeezed. So if I see price drop below the $80 for our trend, I'll use it to sell in the oil. That's another indication that we may see some weakness on indices. Usually oil is the first one to lead the weakness on the indices. But if you like to know more about my Forex plan, my indices stock market plan, go and check out my other video, okay? So that's my plan. Quick recap. I want to be a buyer of dollars, selling euros, selling pounds, selling Aussie, could potentially sell oil. If you do agree with my plan or not, drop me a comment. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and see you guys next week.